Hi my little stars, Sandra here. Welcome to my channel for those who are first time on my channel. And in this video I'm going to talk about something I use and I suggest to my clients when they need, and that is parsley or parsley tea and its benefits and how you can use it. So let's start. So parsley tea is a herbal infusion made from the leaves of the parsley plant. It has been used traditionally in various cultures for its potential health benefits. And here are some aspects for which parsley tea is often considered. First of all, diuretic properties. Parsley is known for its diuretic properties, which means it may help increase urine production and promote the elimination of excess fluids from the body. This property is often attributed to compounds like epiol and myristicin found in parsley. Another benefit is for kidneys health. Due to its diuretic nature, parsley tea is sometimes used to support kidneys health by aiding in elimination of waste and toxins from the body. It can also be used as digestive aid. Some people use parsley tea to help with digestion. It is believed to have mild carminative properties, which means it may help reveal gas and bloating. Parsley also has nutrition content. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, iron, and folate, among other nutritions. Consuming parsley tea may contribute to your overall nutrient intake. Another thing you can use it for is as a menstrual support. Traditionally, parsley has been used to help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate menstrual cramps. However, it's important to note that scientific evidence supporting this claim is limited, but you can try. Another thing parsley tea is known for is anti-inflammatory. Parsley contains flavonoids and other compounds that may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could potentially benefit overall health, of course. It is essential to keep in mind that while parsley tea may offer certain health benefits, it's not a cure per se, and individual response can vary. Additionally, if you have specific health concern or are pregnant, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating parsley tea into your routine. And excessive consumption of parsley, particularly in concentrated forms like supplements, should be avoided because high dosages may have adverse effects. As with any herbal remedy, moderation is the key. What I use parsley tea mostly for is when I have some signs in my body, in a sense of that I have a kidney problem, or if I have some signs that my bladder may have problems. Whoever had the bladder problem knows how it feels when it starts. It's like, in my case, it's like mild cramps in my bladder. And I hate that pain, so when I feel that, I immediately make parsley tea, and I can tell you it helps like enormously, because in my case, that pain is the worst pain I ever felt, trust me. So if I have that problem, I make parsley tea as I showed in this video, I'm going to tell you how. And while it's still warm, I drink it bit by bit. I'm so grateful to parsley tea. Another usage of parsley tea that I suggest to my clients, and I use from time to time, is for cleansing the kidneys. In that case, you may take parsley tea in two different ways. You can take like one small cup 3 times a day as you would take any other drug, or you can make like 1 liter of parsley tea and then add more water and drink all day as instead of water. In many cases, for my client, it showed that it reveals the problem with the kidney stones or kidney sand. I don't know how you call that. In any case, I suggest parsley tea warmly, and as our ancestors suggested, if you have some health problems or acute cold, or you feel some discomfort in your body, first thing you should do is cleanse your bowels. So try with the parsley tea next time you feel cold coming or some other discomfort in your body. And that is because when you cleanse your bowels, your body, it is easier for your body to heal itself when it doesn't have to deal with digestion or whatever is happening in your stomach. So how you make a parsley tea? Better to say how I make a parsley tea for when I feel that my bladder is going to have a problem, and I'm sincerely into avoiding it because, as I said, I hate that pain. So you take a pot and put like 60 milliliters of water in it and a pinch of parsley, or better to say, like teaspoon of parsley. It can be fresh, it can be dry, it doesn't matter. So you cook that, you let it boil until, let's say, the half of water evaporates. After that, you strain it into a cup and you drink it while it's hot, bit by bit, of course. Well, I hope this video helped you, and if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and share this video because someone may need it. And I would like to hear your comments. Did you ever use parsley tea? What did you use it for? What was it for you like? Is it working for you or not? What is your experience? Share with everyone. Share with us. Until next video, shine like a star, because you are the star of your life.